Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Image ID. These unique identifiers are essential for bringing custom visuals into your Roblox experiences. Whether you're adding a new texture to a part, creating a decal for a building, or designing a custom user interface, understanding Image ID is key. We'll cover the simple steps to locate and implement these ID, making your game development process much smoother and more creative. Let's dive in. To get started, you'll first need to upload your image to the Roblox platform. Once uploaded, whether as a decal or a general image asset, head over to its dedicated page on the Roblox website. Look closely at the web address in your browser's bar. You'll see a series of numbers there. That's your unique image ID. Simply copy this numerical sequence, and you're ready to bring your custom graphic into Roblox Studio. Now that you have your image ID, open up Roblox Studio and select the object you wish to customize. This could be a part, a surface GUI, or even a screen GUI element. In the Properties window, which is usually on the right side, find the Texture or Image property. Simply paste your copied image ID into that input box. Instantly, your custom image will appear on the selected object, bringing your vision to life in your game. Here are a few helpful tips for working with Image ID. Always make sure your uploaded images comply with Roblox's community standards to avoid moderation issues. Consider using image dimensions like 128 by 128 pixels or 256 by 256 pixels for decals to ensure good performance. Naming your assets clearly will also save you time later. Finally, always test your images in-game to confirm they look perfect and load quickly for all players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.